Hello, my name is David Dean, and I would like to welcome you to this growth workshop focusing on becoming a Great Commission movement in a broken world. It is my joy to have two of my dearest friends with me today, Dr. Mike Holbrook, who serves as the General Superintendent for the Churches of Christ in Christian Union, and I know him to be a passionate Christ follower. God has given to him both a vision and a call to help our denomination become a Great Commission movement. He will be sharing with you both the vision of his heart and the burden of his life. It's also great to have Dr. David Lattimer with us. I've known David for many, many years, and David has served as a professor at Ohio Christian University for many years, teaching courses on evangelism and how to share your faith. In addition to serving at the university, Dr. Lattimer has also served our denomination as the General Missionary Superintendent for 18 years. He has shared the gospel around the world. He will be talking to you today about how to share your faith without fear. I will talk with you about our simple yet we believe effective strategies to help your church take its first steps to become a Great Commission church. In order to get the most out of this workshop, it would be really good if you could have a copy of the Becoming a Great Commission Movement workbook. This is produced by the Churches of Christ in Christian Union. It is now my joy to present to you and to introduce to you and to welcome my friend, Dr. Mike Holbrook, General Superintendent of the Churches of Christ in Christian Union, to share with us about what it looks like to become a Great Commission movement in a broken world.